Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Guys, I like to end a nice company meal with this easy, no-bake, creamy strawberry pie. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, sweet and creamy pie. It doesn't take long to make. It requires minimal ingredients. So let's get started. Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients for this lovely pie. You are going to need 1 graham cracker crust, 1 package strawberry instant pudding, 1 can evaporated milk, cream cheese, and orange concentrate. So let's get started. In a medium mixing bowl, combine evaporated milk and pudding mix. Beat on low for 2 minutes until the mixture becomes thick. As soon as the mixture looks like this, guys, we're gonna set it aside. In another mixing bowl, beat cream cheese until light and fluffy. Let me say maybe for about 3 minutes. You might be wondering why we are beating the cream cheese first. By beating the cream cheese first ensures that the other ingredients do not weigh it down and prevent it from becoming fluffy. Always use softened cream cheese at room temperature. If the cream cheese isn't softened before mixing, the cream cheese won't be smooth after blending. We don't want lumps on our pie. Next, we are going to add in orange concentrate in batches and beaten well after each addition. This is one of the recipes you will have to keep in handy. It's great for a quick dessert, guys. This pie has a big strawberry flavor, extra richness from cream cheese, and if you are a cheesecake lover, then this one is for you guys. Stop the mixer and use the spatula to scrape the bowl. We want everything to be completely mixed. Continue to beat for another 2 minutes on low speed. Add the cream cheese mixture to the orange concentrate mixture and beat well on low speed until everything is well incorporated. My family loves this pie, guys. Always they're raving about it. Please guys, follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook at Mama Bui's Kitchen. I would love to hear from you guys. What is your favorite pie? Just leave a comment down below in the comment section. With this pie, guys, you can substitute the strawberry pudding mix with any pudding mix you like. Also, with the orange concentrate, you can substitute that too. Mix with the spatula to make sure everything is completely mixed. Then pour into the crust. If you are new to my channel, hello there and welcome to Mama B's Kitchen, where food is cooked with Mama's love. This recipe, you can make it 24 hours ahead, cover and refrigerate it until ready to use. Use the spatula to spread the filling across the pie crust. It doesn't have to be fancy. Cover and refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.